Okay, so today we're going to be demonstrating a treatment on Adei. He's been seeing me for a while now. He had an accident in his mid-back a couple of years ago, which caused not only a lot of pain but actually some numbness on the lower half of his body, which is we've been working on. He's doing a lot better, but recently he's been having quite a bit of difficulty with his breathing. So we're going to check him, see what's going on, and see if we can get his breathing feeling a little bit easier. So his breathing's just been very, very shallow. He's been struggling to get a deep breath, and it's been causing him quite a lot of distress. There's a slight imbalance through the pelvis. This used to be a lot more significant, but there's just a very, very slight imbalance now through the hips. It's slightly out on the left hand side. So it's your typical spot is right at your T6, which on the X-ray that's been shown to be the peak of the curvature. And what's happening with the breathing is because this area of the spine is getting so locked up, it's causing restriction through the rib cage here, preventing normal sort of expansion and contraction of the rib cage during the breathing. I mean, the breathing can be very, very shallow. Line the right side. Okay, so we're going to do the pelvic adjustment now. Breathe in for me. Breathe out. Good. That's it. On your other side. Feels good, hey? Okay, breathe in again. And out. Good. That's it. On your back.
Too much.
Had quite a lot of tension built up, I think. That's it.
The shirt is tight.
Okay, just find the T6. Breathe in now for me, and out. Keep your chin still. That's it. Okay, one more for me now. Breathe in, and out. Good. Open up your mouth. And that's it.
I'm sweating today.
So we're just going to adjust his upper cervicals there. It's nice and relaxed for me. So. Just a little one on this left side. Goes wiggle your toes. That's it. One pops even before the adjustment. Just waiting for it. So pass me both your arms above your head. Just relax through there. That's it. Okay. Just bend both your knees. I'm just going to finish with a bit of release through a diaphragm. Get that breathing a bit easier for you. So just deep breaths for me. One. Okay, good. And come and sit back up now.
He's on it now.
Feels easier?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. Okay, just breathe in again for me. Breathe really deep. And out. So looser. Good. Okay.